Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. It's Denise here. Oh my goodness, Canva and Colour Alchemist. Oh my gosh. And also Champion Canvastar for you guys and also my YouTubers too. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? Okay, so I'm looking at 3 things Canva have been given to us. All right, so background remover, magic eraser, magic edit. Those 3 items are absolutely awesome when it comes to using your imagination and wanting to change things in your design or even in a template. If you're using a template, I'm going to show you exactly how we do that as well. All right, because I think it's really important, right? So I'm going to share my screen with you. All righty, so let's do this. I'm going to create a design. Okay, so when I create this design, I am actually going to go for an Instagram post square because I know loads of you use Insta and you can use a Facebook square, whatever you want to do is entirely up to you. But to make things nice and easy, I'm just going to type my design as well because in case I forget. Okay, so I'm just going to call it Magic Sunny. Yay. Okay, here we go. Template. I've grabbed a template, nice and easy. Okay, so remember, you can, take one of your pictures, you can go to your uploads and place one of your pictures in there as well. And then all I'm going to do is go to edit photo. Really, really easy. Okay, so you're going to go look at those 3 tools at the top: background remover, magic eraser, magic edit. We're going to go with background remover first. Boom, ding. That was quick. That was really quick. Okay, so it's taken out the background, but we had text in it, didn't we? So let's change that text to black. So you can see that it has actually taken out the background as well. And I think there's a little mark up here as well. So I think we're going to change that color to, okay, let's change to pink. Woohoo. All righty. So now we've got the tiger just by itself. So you can see it's taken out the background. Okay. Now we want to go back to edit the photo again. All right. I'm going to go to magic eraser. So we're going to use magic eraser. Now, you cannot use all 3 items at the same time, and you can't use them. What you'd have to do, basically, if you wanted to use all 3 of those effects, you would have to do the background remover first, download it, upload it, then use the magic eraser, etc., and then you use the magic edit. Okay, so, but we're going to make it nice and easy. We'll be here till Christmas. Okay, magic eraser. Why do I love magic eraser? Because you can erase whatever you like in the photo. Okay, so look at your brush size as well with this one. Okay, so really tiny bits and pieces. You just reduce your brush size, and then large areas, increase your brush size. Okay, let's do this. Let's take out the ear. Do, and that side of the face, I think we just, poor little tiger, be earless, but earless, but fearless. Oh, you like that one, right? And so you caught me in my magical crazy mood. Okay, so now you see I've just taken out his poor ear, so he cannot hear me. Okay, now there are other areas that you can do as well, like the eye. And look, take down that brush size, just showing you that I'm just going to increase that size of the picture so you can have a look. Now, sometimes it might not take out the spot area just like that. So you might have to go over it 2 or 3 times. Okay. So like, for example, look there, it's taken out the pupil, but it's kept the yellow. So I'll try it again. See what it does. Okay. Magic, magic, magic. So each time it's taken out that yellow, right? So I've just done it a little bit more there in that area. And each time it takes out the yellow, it will turn it to black. Okay, it'll give you that background, right? So that's what it's done there. And if I did another one up here, maybe it'll take that one into black as well. So that's like 4 little goes there on that area, I think, so far. Okay, so just showing you that you can do that. Okay, but you have to be a little bit more patient to take that out even further. Now, that bit's been done. So what are we going to do now? Do you know what? I can reset my erasings as well if I want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go straight to edit photo because see how that's, yeah. When you see that the picture's gone small, don't be too panicky about it. It does go back to its normal size when you go to edit photo, all right? Magic edit. Now, again, I have to use magic edit instead of the eraser, instead of the background. So it's going to take all of that, all of my doings away so that I can use magic edit, okay? So back to normal. Brush over the image. So I am going to increase my brush size because I am going to go on half of his face. Poor thing. I don't know what am I going to turn him into, eh? So I'm going over his face on this side. Well, as it's magic, I suppose something magical would be good, right? I'm going to continue. I'm happy with that. So oh my gosh, a colorful, yeah, unicorn with rainbows and flowers around it. Oh yeah, that sounds really cool. So all I'm going to do is generate that now. And let the magic happen. Has to be a little bit patient with it, okay? AI is kicking in. Alrighty, so fun and games. Yeah, it's giving me it's giving me unicorn vibes. And let's see what else he comes up with, because remember, it'll give you at least 4 different images to choose from, okay? I'm going to show you what they've given me. You might see it already on the screen, but look at this. I have got a favorite, I must admit. It's got to be that one, right? It looks like a wild unicorn stallion mixed with tiger. Look how they've matched up the nose quite nicely as well. So I'm definitely keeping this one. Alrighty, so you're just going to scroll down and you're going to say done. If you're happy with the image, happy days, okay? Look how wonderful that looks. I know the eyes are lopsided and stuff, and that's fine. So remember, I've got text there. Remember now, this image here, all you're going to do is right click, go to detach image from background. So you can realign it according to how you want it. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it down like that. How fab is that? All righty. Now I'm going to position. Oh, okay. I'm going into layers now. Oh, dragging the layers. I love layers. Okay. So I'm just going to go onto the text here, which is black. Now I'm going to change text color to pink. Just let it get magical. I want to change that now. Change that color to my other brand color. Let's go for a green. Oh my gosh. Now the text at the bottom there, I'm just going to put in my website, crimsoncats.com. Wonderful. I'm just going to increase that size. So to make sure everything looks great. And this is what I want. And I'm going to change this to get magical with Sunita. Oh, maybe I could put color. No, Canva. And color alchemist. Sunita. Yay. All righty. So look, I've got something amazing going on here. Just want to centralize it a bit more. And happy days. Oh my goodness, so much fun. And again, I can change the text as well, but that's all I wanted to show you. How easy is that? Now I want to see your creations. So get creating, enjoy it. If you've got any questions, do ask. Please remember to share, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to hit that notification bell, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and of course subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.